Come on, bro, catch something. Got him?
Yeah.
We're back and we're doing a bit of land-based fishing. And this is where we're going. As you can see, there's no water. That's why we've got this guy here. So we're going to be using the Aeroo drone today to drop our baits out in front of us here. And we've got a couple of channels running across us. And right pretty much where the water starts there, that's pretty much the start of your channel and starts dropping off into deeper water. So we're going to start droning these baits out for a couple 100 meters, and fingers crossed we can get ourselves onto a gummy or two. And it is also the start of snapper season. It is spring, so who knows, might even jag a snapper. First bait is going out. So channel's how far away? About 200 meters.
But we're dropping this in a different spot.
I want this in the structure.
So he wants this in the structure. So he's gonna be waiting till the water flows in and those gummies creep up onto the bank. So the gummies aren't just going to be in the channel. As that tide rushes in, this water's going to rise by about 3 or 4 meters. We've got strong tides today. So
Reckon about there somewhere?
Can you go to the left a little bit?
Yeah.
Just slide shift left. Yeah, drop it around there somewhere.
Already?
Yep. Bang.
beautiful. So that's dropped. All right, so let's start getting the rest of them out.
So what was the sound of the drone?
Beautiful backdrop. Bro, wouldn't it be ironic if we got our first season fish on land?
That would be a first for me, I reckon. Oh. Come on, bro, catch something. Got him?
Yeah. Good one. I think it could be a snapper, bro.
Could be a snapper?
Yeah.
It's a ray.
Snapper. It's a snapper.
I need to...
Oh,
Yeah, bring it over.
That's a... Bro,
Yeah, well, I need this rod moved.
Ads, give me the camera,
Get
move
your
your rod.
box.
You've
Just
got
bring him
box.
over, bring him over.
Imagine the bogs.
Go. Grab that.
I need to get away from the rocks.
Yeah, Ads, grab this, because we... Oh, my rod, my rod.
Just bring him, just land this.
That's a big fish, bro. Yeah. Fuck yes.
Yes. Yes. Oh.
Fuck yeah.
Bro, it's a big male too. Oh, yes.
Yeah, right in the
Well
corner.
done, brother. First snapper session for you, mate. Corey with our first snapper of the season. Look at that. What a beast of a fish. That's an easy 4.5, 5 kilo fish, that.
I'll get a sack for this.
Oh, we're gonna have good karma for the season. I'm gonna do a release on our first snapper.
Hey!
Oh.
Oh! Grab that!
Grab that. No, it's not a... Yeah, it is.
Yeah, we got chaos happening here.
He's got something off.
No, he's still on. Just get him off that. Don't let him go.
Nah,
Just
he's
let him.
off.
You're kidding.
Nah.
Oh no, he's still on. Yes, let him go.
Yes, sir.
This is carnage.